Alright, so this here's my toolbox. This is the way I got it set up. This top box is in every unit. There's all my sockets. All those are Craftsman, 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drives. There's all my drive stuff. Extensions, adapters, ratchets. I got that set at Northern Tool. I like it. $40. Can't beat it. Got all my ratchets, breaker bars, flex and regular ratchets, palm ratchets. My wrench adapters, turn any combination wrench into a ratchet, 1/4, 3/8, 1/2 inch drives, and a 1/4 inch bit holder from Snap-on, of course. Moving on. I got a couple wrenches out right now, but there's all my standard wrenches. As you can see, all Craftsman, and they go from 1 5/16 all the way down to 1/4 inch. All my metrics, all Craftsman. They all fit in the drawer. Luckily, Craftsman as well. And they go from 32 down to 6mm. No shortage of wrenches there. No shortage of them there. All these are Blue Point. I bought these brand new back in like 08. Everything from 1/4 inch all the way up to 1 inch, and metric from 7mm up through 19. They're all Blue Point wrenches, every single one of them. As you can tell, that some of them had better days. Just this one drawer contains about just that $500 in wrenches alone. So that's yeah, that's that. Nothing in this one yet. I'll get to that later. Fill it up with something else. Just got some of my gun cleaning stuff in here. Holster for my gun, Glock 23 Gen 4, 40 caliber, good stuff. Roll of duct tape, hand cleaner. By the way, that stuff, badass stuff. Just a box of nuts and bolts and screws, miscellaneous things like that. Box of ammo, planking rounds. Streamlight Stinger, Terralux LED. Bright as hell. Shop towels, of course. Got a standard and metric impact sockets, which I rarely ever use anymore. Plan on filling this drawer up with all impact sockets. These are Matco, of course. Overpriced sockets. Nothing in these anymore. Before I bought this top box, I had my Craftsman standard and metrics in here, but I had to move some things around. Mac tools, screwdriver bit set, some stuff that's not what belongs, of course. You know, I'll put all that stuff up later. Not worried about it right now. $120 something for this set, but it's done everything I needed it to. 2 more Streamlights, older model, still got the halogen heads in it. One of those, that top one is brand new. Haven't used it too much yet. Of course, got my Snap-on screwdrivers in there. I had one big flathead screwdriver that I pretty much used for a pry bar, but can't find it no more, of course. I got it and a bottle opener and a package deal from Snap-on. It was like 125 bucks for all of it. That's a go and give it to me. All my pliers, all the ones with the blue handles or blue point. There's a, I think that's a Stanley or something. This little Snap-on TM936 kit is a ratcheting. It's basically a 1/4-inch bit driver and a 1/4-inch drive ratchet head. It's really all it is. But this thing works good in confined areas or in areas where you need a little more torque than a standard bit driver handle, like one of these things right here. I've had that for years. Crescent wrenches, 2 10s and a 12. That's all my hammers and big channel locks, C-clamps, flat piece of bar laser, compressor brake calipers, spring compressors, strut compressors, wire wheel, tape measure, files. There were some chisels in there, but they're out right now. Plenty of hammers, oil filter, straps, things of that nature. You know, it's kind of a little bit of everything in there. All my electrical stuff. This thing right here was like pretty close to 100 bucks. It is not just a circuit tester, but you test both positive and negative, and it shows it right there on the screen. It'll show either red for power, green for ground. It's got 2 little LEDs in there. Of course, it's Snap-on. Overpriced, 100 bucks, but hey, it works. Actron Auto Scanner Plus. I like it. My electrical stuff, voltmeters, clamp meters, crimpers, strippers. Not those kind of strippers, the wire strippers. Wires and stuff. Got some more flashlights, some more circuit testers. 3/8 Craftsman torque wrench. I wish that they'd go back with this hard plastic case like they had, not this cheesy little thin plastic crap they got now. Yeah, they're really going downhill. Air tools. Cut off tool, ratchets, 1/4 and 3/8 drives. I got a few impact sockets in there. Blow guns, clean out the shop. Tire gun, drill. Small paint gun for small stuff. 3/8 impact, Ingersoll Rand, 1/2-inch impact, Craftsman Professional, which is Ingersoll Rand. Got some extra gauges and tire filling, nipples and things like that. Cordless stuff. 3/8 Craftsman, actually 1/2-inch Craftsman impact, 19.2 volt. Got a drill, 1 battery. Another one took a dump on me. So look for some C3 batteries, them lithium ion. Craftsman or Snap-on, 1/4-inch bit driver, 3/8 impact, 1/4-inch impact. Use a little 7.2 volt battery, lithium ion. They do good for small in the dashboard and small stuff under the hood, safety glasses, starter switch, remote starter switch. Snap-on 3/8 impact. Most of y'all remember them. It does good. I like it. Of course, the batteries are getting old, of course. Matt Tools drill bit set. Good stuff. Does good so far. Anyway, that's my toolbox. I'm 5'6". Yeah, I know, short and distinguished. Whatever, don't care. So there's that. Pretty good stuff. I've had that bottom box since about 2008, 2009. Bought it brand new. That one I bought it like a week ago. Normally it goes for like $4.59 or something. But as you can tell, it's kind of a little bit crooked on one side. I guess it got dropped in shipping or something. Got it for like $150, $160, something like that. All the drawers still closed. The door, the lid up there still locks. Bam. What I like about this newer style box is that these new ones, they have actual gas struts versus them little arms that they used to have. They're actual gas struts, and they do hold the lid open. All you gotta do is pick it up, and it opens up on its own, and it holds it up. Yeah, I know, most of us can't keep it up no more, so we gotta have some help. Just kidding. Anyway, that's that. Of course, I remember the Campbell Hausfeld air compressor that I did a review on a while back. I got rid of that filter regulator. That plastic bowl started leaking. It cracked and leaked. Got rid of it. Went back to the factory one that came with. I just got it set to 100 pounds, I believe. Ran an airline. My hose reel, 50-foot 3/8 hose. Got a swivel on it. Still air in it. Got a couple of extra sections of hose for reaching out further into the driveway or whatever. By the way, these are the high flow V style fittings from Milton. Got those at Northern Tool. The little nipples come two to a pack, and they are a little on the high side versus just a standard little nipples you get at Home Depot or Lowe's or Sears, whatever. They flow better, they work better, they make your tools work a hell of a lot better. It's your standard connector. The other one. There's the bigger one. The quick connectors, the collars, these fit both the standard connectors that you get at anywhere you get your air nipples at, and these high flow fittings. Just to let you know, they do work. I haven't had any problems with them. I've been using it that way. Most of my air tools in here have the high flow fittings in them. My ratchets, cutoff tool, impacts, those all have the high flow fittings. Blowguns and tire filling stuff, not really, because that doesn't require so much air. But they perform well. They're pricey, that they are, but like I said, they bring your tools better performance in my opinion. So anyway, those are all Craftsman sockets. I started this collection since about, I don't know, 2007 when I started it. Still adding to it. Every day I get on there and see what all I need, things of that nature. So, well, I guess that concludes the video. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. If not, well, never mind. Y'all be good, stay safe, have a good one.